Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP has broken above the $2 mark. That will invalidate this Elliott wave triangle, which I've marked here with a question mark in yellow. The blue count seems to be confirmed, so I will later remove yellow from the chart. It is likely blue or white, but in the, let's say, medium term, that means that XRP is likely pushing higher and that another 4-5 pattern is needed to complete this overall move. The wave 3 is extending, and as I said to you, if we manage to get a break above the 2021 high, we should see the price get to 266 next. So it's going to be interesting to see if the price can get there directly. I mean, at the moment, it's literally just a thing of like, how far do we extend, right? It's impossible to say because it has already exceeded way beyond what an internal move up should do, okay, internally. But I already highlighted to you that in the blue count, the $2 level, that was only the first ideal target for this third wave. Yeah, if you're if you watch the previous videos, then you know that the blue box here, 266, 325, they are the next common extension levels for a third wave. It's just that when we look at the internal structure, this move up went up very directly without clear subwave structure. But nevertheless, we have identified today another long trade setup, and I think that actually happened after the last video. Oops, let me open the short-term chart. I can't remember if we talked about that in the last video. No, this is Aave. I just want to open the XRP chart. I thought I had it open, probably didn't. Short-term chart, yeah. So it's kind of pumped to the upside after we had another actually really nicely looking Elliott wave triangle that was communicated earlier today on Discord. If you are on Discord, then you will have received this message. I can identify another possible triangle on the short-term chart. A break below 185 would invalidate this microstructure, and a break above 197 should indicate that an upside breakout is unfolding. And if you're aware of the Elliott wave structures, then you know that an A, B, C, D, E structure, like an Elliott wave triangle, normally what we want to see is a breakout to the opposite side of the E wave. And it's done that, right? So it's followed the micro count and another triangle breakout. We only had one a few days ago, which was down here. It was also a triangle. So it's forming these triangles. And typically a triangle is like the last wave, right? I mean, not the last one. There's one more afterwards, but this could then be a more substantial top that's forming now. And circle wave 3 is now very, very full, even on the smallest wave degree. Obviously, you see there's a bit of a pushback as well, but the bulls are still pushing. I mean, the FOMO is real. That's why these prices are moving. It's getting irrational, obviously, right? But that's typical when we get these FOMO structures. We had our member live stream today covering the topic, so we covered like when to take profits, like, when is it reasonable to take profits? Not specifically to XRP, but more generally best practices. Is it too late to buy? Things like that. If you're interested, check it out. But overall, what I can tell you is that as long as we now stay above 187, the last swing low, this can still extend. I mean, this has basically raised the key level higher. This is really the key level. Any break below that level now, 187, would indicate that a more substantial price top has likely formed. Because that would be a break below the wave 4 low, and that means further direct upside extensions are off the table for now. But we're still pushing. I mean, it's 215 now. Crazy movements, and it already moved all the way up to 221. And it could still extend higher. But that is nothing it needs to do. It's fulfilled everything. It's even this last move up is now very extended already. So I can only highlight to you, look, we've got this pattern here. It is pretty much full. We even have wave 5 of 5 technically complete. Of course, it can extend. But until we get a bit, I mean, there's nothing in this price structure for me to work with on the way up now. I can only highlight to you that anybody who just traded this breakout, I mean, it was fulfilled, right? Make sure that you, move your stop into break even. For anybody who's looking for a larger degree position or clarity on the larger time frame, hold on, I just wanted to go back to the XRP long-term chart. I just have too many charts open these days, so let me open that again. For anybody who's sort of looking for clarity on the longer time frame chart, well, best I can tell is that, yeah, we could push to 266. It's not needed. because even this blue third wave has fulfilled all, let's say, expectations. We'll remove that yellow subwave structure now, because it now reached even the, it pushed even above the 138% extension. And what we can do along the way is just to adjust this support region, which means that should we break below that already mentioned 187 level, the support is now 98 cents to 150 for this internal fourth wave, and then we can get one more wave 5. Already suggested to you, if we really get waves 4 and 5, then $5 will be the next reasonable target, because that's based on the larger C wave of this A-B pattern, where the A wave topped in 2021, the B wave bottomed in 2022, and this could be a C wave up, possibly in 5 waves. So I keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.